Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare this amazing Cajun chicken pasta. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let us cook. So guys, for your pasta, you want to ensure that the water is boiling before you add your pasta. Here I'm adding a little salt to taste, which is also optional. Then I'm adding 2 cups of penne pasta. Then we're going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes or according to the package instruction. So guys, to stop the cooking process, you want to remove it from that hot water and place it under cold running water and set that aside. I'm just going to pat this dry. Split it into pieces. Yeah, big chicken breast right here. With oil. And this is just gonna help us season this chicken. So guys, the seasons are half tablespoon of Maggi, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, and half teaspoon of Cajun season, and also half teaspoon of parsley flakes. And this chicken is gonna be so flavorful, guys, just so juicy. I just want to sprinkle over your chicken. Just a generous amount. Flip this over. Now you want to add oil to your cast iron or skillet, whatever you're using. You're going to allow that to heat. Then you want to place your chicken. So we're going to sear this for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until it has a beautiful golden sear. If you realize that your chicken is burning and it's not fully cooked, no worries. Just place it in the oven and continue cooking it. So now guys, here I am flipping my chicken. I just want to have a beautiful golden sear, guys. So let's remove the chicken from the skillet and let it rest. Now in that same skillet, I'm going to be placing butter. You're just going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, allow that to melt. Then we're going to add our chopped onions, garlic, then we're going to allow that to saute until it is fragrant. And it smells so good already, guys. Like, trust me. Oh my goodness. This was so good. This pasta was amazing. Like, this pasta is a must try. Like, you guys have to try this pasta, man. You literally have to try this pasta. It was amazing. So guys, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. If you guys don't have tomato paste, you can add tomato sauce. Now the tomato paste, it's what's gonna thicken our sauce a bit and also give it this amazing flavor. Now it's time to add the heavy cream. And some seasoned Cajun, garlic, onion, and parsley. Now guys, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and this is gonna take our pasta to the next level. Like, honestly, it's just gonna kick it up a notch, man, because this pasta was so creamy. It was so delicious, guys. Like, trust me. If you guys don't have cream cheese, you can go ahead and add goat cheese. Another teaspoon of cream cheese, because why not? Then guys, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese and also some sharp cheddar. Give it a quick stir. And then I'm gonna add some frozen spinach that I had in the freezer. I just didn't want it to go bad, so I just, added to it, guys. Now, if you guys have sun-dried tomatoes, you can go ahead and add your sun-dried tomatoes to your sauce. And yeah. Now I'm gonna place the penne pasta to our sauce. And you want to toss your penne in that sauce. Just, oh my goodness. Oh, man. Well, guys, I know I always say all my dishes are amazing, but trust me, this pasta, it was so good. It was so creamy, so much flavor. Like, it was so good. Now I'm going in with more cheese because, come on now. Come on now. Now look at this, guys. Just so good. But the only thing missing from this, guys, was that sun-dried tomatoes. honestly. I totally forgot to buy sun-dried tomatoes. But next time, okay? If you guys have sun-dried tomatoes at home, you guys can go ahead and add it to this pasta. Trust me, it's gonna taste so good. Now after plating, I'm just gonna top off our pasta with some Parmesan cheese and some fresh chopped parsley. And look at that amazing plate, guys. So good. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys once more for stopping by to watch another episode of Alicia's Kitchen. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.